Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be trying some wheel balancing. Now, I haven't got a wheel balancing machine, and I don't think you need all the bells and whistles to do it. So what I've got here is a pair of axle stands. I've got the spindle from the wheel. The most important thing you must do is get this spindle level. So put the spirit level on there. I'm slightly out on this side, I need to raise it. So I'm just going to pop a bit of cardboard under there. That's looking pretty good. Okay, spindle through. Okay, so what we're trying to do now is find the heavy spot of the wheel. So what we'll do, we'll just let it spin around a couple of times. Just try and bring you in a little bit closer. Okay, so I've left the weights that were already on here. There we are, there's a pile of weights there. There's 25 grams on that side, and there's 15 grams on that side. I got a funny feeling this wheel wasn't balanced the last time the tyre was put on it. So I just let go of that now. So that's the heaviest point, I would have thought, because of those weights. So let's just spin around for a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to mark it the lightest point at 12 o'clock. Seems to be right there, more or less. Just do that again. So let's bring it round to sort of 9 o'clock. So it seems to be quite badly out of balance. I can't say I've actually noticed when I'm riding the bike. It's pretty much back in a very similar position. Okay, so that's definitely our light spot. So I think the first thing we're going to do is just take these old weights off. Okay, so this was the original mark. I'll put number 1 there, look. Let's try and see where it ends up now. It's almost the total opposite. It's not, it's coming back. Okay, so this is the new mark. So that's the new mark. That's the old mark. Okay, somewhere up here seems to be the new mark. So I have a box of weights. They're quite cheap. Let's start off with so we can just get a tape on for the second, a 10-gram weight. Yeah, that's it. It was simple. Trying to come up. Let's put a 5 on there as well. Okay, that seems better than the, what did we have on there? 40 gram of weight. Cool. Good, excellent. Okay, so I haven't got any black weights, so I'm gonna have to spray these ones, so bear with me. Okay, so I've just painted up a silver wheel weight. You can buy these in black, but I've only got silver here. So I'm just going to stick this on and see how it works. I have already cleaned the muck and grease off here. Just take these ones off. Good, so it looks like that's working quite well. It'd be nice to see how accurate a proper wheel balancer is over something like this that's just been mocked up. I can't see it being any better. A little bit more difficult if you've got a single-sided swing arm, which I have on the rear of the Triumph. Sometimes I've seen other people on other videos, and they tape these on in case they've come off. I don't know why you tape them on. I just don't understand. They're not going to come off. Centrifugal forces are holding them in that position as the wheel rotates anyway, so I can't see the logic of taping them on. Okay, so that's done. Thank you for watching, and if you liked that video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.